Assalamu alaikum students. Our next topic from the chapter sound is the reflection of sound. When sound incident on a medium of another surface, it bounces back into the first medium. This phenomenon is called reflection of sound. Like the light, sound also follows the law of reflection, where the angle of incident will be equal to the angle of reflection. One of the students asked me about the angle of incidence and what is the angle of reflection. So the angle in which the wave hits the other medium is called the angle of incidence, and the angle which the ray gets reflected is called the angle of reflection. Let's see an experiment. Take two hollow pipes and place them near the wall, and make sure there is a white cardboard paper underneath the two pipes. Now place a clock near the pipes and try to listen from the other pipe. Keep adjusting the pipe until you hear a clear sound. When the sound is clear, you will notice that the angle of incident will be equal to the angle of reflection. What is echo? The repetition of the same sound again and again is called the echo. For example, so you are hearing the sound of clapping again and again. If we stand against a tall wall and we clap, the sound will travel in all possible directions. After hitting the surface, it reflects back to us, and we can hear the faint repetition of our sound.